The dewdrops cling softly to your neck. Your blouse blows gently with the breeze. I've said so much I'll soon regret. Oh, won't you put my mind at ease? You give less than you take. You call it my mistake. You've taken more than you're entitled to. And as I taste this moment, it's bittersweet. 'Cause I know that I'll be leaving soon. As moments go, it's hard to beat. Say hello to lonely June. I've cashed all of my checks. I fell through the safety net. I've taken more than I'm entitled to. You say I have a tendency for too much joking, a mechanism that I built for coping. I didn't want to keep you hanging on. Through fear and emptiness, I'm blindly hoping you wanna patch up and fix what is broken. Maybe, lady, I'm the one who's hanging on. I don't suppose it's that different for you. You're on the flip side of this coin. Still, you're so subtle with your clues. A broken jigsaw I must join. My heart is on my sleeve. Still, you won't believe we've taken more than we're entitled to. You say I have a tendency for joking, a mechanism that I built for coping. I didn't want to keep you hanging on. Through fear and emptiness, I'm blindly hoping you wanna patch up and fix what is broken. Maybe, lady, I'm the one who's hanging on. You give less than you take, and then I do the same. We've taken more than we're entitled to.